Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies using an air fryer. Preheat the air fryer to 325 degrees F, line a small pan, and prepare batter as instructed below. I will guide you through ingredient choices, batter thickness, and how to check doneness without drying out brownies. Expect tips on rotating the pan, adjusting time for loaf versus square pans, and simple serving ideas. Start by gathering ingredients and tools: bowl, whisk, silicone spatula, and a small 6 to 8 inch pan that fits your air fryer. Combine sugar, eggs, butter, vanilla, cocoa, and flour gently until just mixed to avoid a cakey texture. If using boxed mix, follow package directions but reduce proposed oven time by about 25% and monitor closely for a glossy top. When the batter is ready, cover the pan with a small foil tent if the top browns too quickly, then set it in the preheated air fryer. Start with 10 minutes at 325 degrees F for a thin pan, then add time in 3 to 5 minute increments until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Let brownies cool in the pan to set the center, then slice with a warm knife for clean edges.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.